rude. You're fuck my life. Fuck my life. Seriously. I lost the only girl that knew me. What the hell? I'm about to lose the only guy. You're not gonna lose him. Hello. Stop it.
Takes your phone.
What, Isabel? What? What? So last night was pretty fun. Can you stop? Stop it. They just gave me a wedgie. Ew, nice ass.
Not really.
Thanks.
Really.
I know, it is nice, right?
Go production.
Me and my eyes.
Oh, someone had this.
Where? Where? This is like scary. My stomach hurts.
I'm starting an answer.
Oh, it's nice. Last night was fun.
Keep walking.
Are you down? Stop.
Walk.
Fine.
Somebody's gonna come after you.
Stop. Stop it. That's so scary. You have no idea.
Feel it on your neck?
That's to you dumbass.
You call me fucking dumbass?
Dumbass.
So you really want to call me a dumbass?
You don't push me. You go up there. No. Keep going. I hurt my back.
See, we gotta leave that behind. We have a night to go to wedding. Why couldn't they just make the trail right here?
This is my two best friends, and I don't even know why they're my best friends.
But unfortunately we are.
Unfortunately, I spend all my time with them. I really do. Isn't that weird?
I don't know.
What?
We're thinking about how did the chemistry start between us? Her birthday party, I think.
My birthday party?
No.
Wait, who? Like between like y'all two?
Us three.
Oh, us three. It was. I think it was South Padre. Like we like.
A little bit before that.
Well, yeah, but we weren't as close as friends as we were. Like,
Me and Vicky hated you in South Padre.
y'all did?
Chloe.
I didn't shit y'all for Chloe. Isabel,
Right, she did, Vicky?
I was single the first day of South Padre.
Isabel, I spent my whole South Padre with you, so don't even say I left you for Chloe.
No, Vicky spent it with me. She spent the night at my hotel. True story. Oh.
Yeah, and
You'll
who?
be spending the night at my hotel in Houston, too.
Well, yeah, because I have my dad. Seriously, I wish my dad would move out. Because then I would... Because then...
Walking in the park with
My mommy's in the...
Hello? We were walking in the trail on the way to work.